Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to introduce you to this Zom, and this creator and this dev is absolutely amazing. He has taken a beloved firmware, the Porkchop, and he has ported it over to the CYD for your viewing pleasure, and this is what it looks like. How cool is that? So before we start, remember, please do go over to Zom, that's XOM, on GitHub, and give him a star, like, follow. This guy is crazy cool, and I'm sure he's going to be introducing some even more cooler stuff as well. He has taken the Porkchop and he has taken it over from the card pewter and ported it to the CYD. Again, this is a $10–15 device which now gives you full Porkchop functionality. The way this works, it is fantastic. If you hold on the main screen, it will, in idle mode, it will change the theme colours, which is cool. So there, that's a pink, and the cyber, which is cool as well, and that will run through all those. If you just tap, it brings you into the main menu. As you can see here, we've got all that usual Porkchop goodness, Porkchop level 1 and our XP points, and then we can just tap our way down. We have Oink, Do Not Ham, Sergeant Warthog, which is our war driver, Blues, which is BLE, so forth, Spectrum Analyzer, which I love a spectrum analyzer. You just press the middle, and there you can see all your network traffic, see which channels are getting all of the main data. As you can see there, my channel 9 is taking on some pretty heavy traffic, channel 3 is getting a bit more, and then there's various bits in between as well. To go back, you just hold, again, let's taps go down, and this is all pretty cool stuff. Again, nimble 9 stud, so yeah, here we go, and there's your Blues, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, awesome device, and what Zom has done with this is incredible. I absolutely love it. I think it is amazing. And you just tap, the screen's almost in 3 parts, middle is enter, top and bottom goes up and down, and you can just work your way through all of those usual little bits that we have, all of your swine stats and all the other bits. So yeah, if you like the CYD and you want to see some more cool stuff on there, get this. Just go over to his GitHub, I'll put a link in the bottom for that. Download the repository, and then you can flash this via Arduino. If you need any help or any questions, please hit me up and give me a shout. I can do a video on how to flash that on Arduino as well separately. Peace.